Alright, hi everybody. This video is about if you get a demo watch from Samsung, how to unlock it. So what I mean by that is I was sold a watch on Marketplace a while ago. It ended up being a demo version, but you can use Odin to flash the watch. I've done this on a couple other phones in the past, but yeah, so let's get started. So I'm making this video because I know some people are going to come across these demo units, probably not because they're trying to steal them or anything, if they get scammed, or if they're trying to save some money perhaps in some way. I'm not trying to advocate for anything malicious here, I'm just providing information. So this is what the watch looks like. You'll open it up, it's got a bunch of stuff that says demo on it. If we zoom in and on it right here, you'll see it's live demo unit, not for sale. These are fairly cheap on eBay right now. I think I got this one for $45 USD. It's the SM-R940, and it's got a section to enter in a passcode under retail service, but we're not going to deal with any of that. Alright, you're going to need 3 different files here. You're going to need NetOdin 3 1.0.0. You're also going to need to install the Samsung USB driver. That's just something I would recommend. And then, of course, the firmware for the watch itself. I'll put these as links in the video description. Alright, so let's turn off this watch and boot it into recovery mode. So I'm going to hold these 2 buttons on the side here. Here we go. And just keep holding it until it decides to reboot. Now once it reboots, you're going to tap this button here on the side to get into the recovery menu twice on the top right. So now we're going to go into download wireless. You just press this once on this side to get to download wireless, and then we're going to long press on the power button to select it. After you select it, it will reboot. Okay, now it's in AP mode. So at this point, what we're going to want to do is connect our laptop or whatever Wi-Fi device that we have to the watch in order to push some new firmware to it via Odin. So when I got to this point, I just pressed this button and it goes into download mode AP, which is what we want to do. Now that it's in the download mode AP, you can see that the wireless network is going to come up. So we're going to go and connect to that. Okay, so you're going to need 3 additional files here. Now note, if you look at our network, we are connected to the watch here. So now, you're going to first install the Samsung USB driver. That would make sense. We're going to need NetOdin as well as the firmware for the watch. So I'm going to open up NetOdin right now, click allow if it asks for network. Now over here on the left, it should pop up with the phone or the IP, but for now, let's select AP, which is what we want, and we're going to select the tar file that we want. I'm not sure why it's not showing up here yet, but let's see if we'll click start and if it gives us an error. It says all threads complete. Oh, it's got an IP. It's figuring it out. So at this point, let's see if we can flash this. So I'm going to click start, and I'm going to go over here to my watch and show you what it's looking like right now. So as you can see right now, once it's started, as a matter of common sense, I would definitely have it plugged in when you decide to start flashing the firmware. And you can see the progress bar going on the bottom. If I remember correctly, it took about 20 minutes for it to run through and finish. Again, while doing this, just be patient. Don't disconnect it from the Wi-Fi, obviously, just let it cook. And then I already got the pairing notification here on my phone, and that's it. Like, after that, you should be able to use this watch as a normal watch. So it's pretty cool.